Hello students, myself Professor S.P. Singla from RS classes. Today we will take another topic of plus 1 mathematics, that is sequence and series. In sequence and series, the first topic is arithmetic sequence. So we will start with arithmetic. We will start with arithmetic sequence. Here it is, arithmetic sequence. What is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a finite or infinite sequence or series. A1, A2, A3, so on up to An. It is up to An if it is finite, if it is infinite, so on. Is said to be an AP. AP means arithmetic sequence is also known as arithmetic progression. Okay, that is said to be an AP. AP means arithmetic, said to be in arithmetic progression if difference between any two कंसेक्टिव टर्म्स, अगर दो लगातार टर्म्स का डिफरेंस इज कांस्टेंट, दैट इज A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to so on. This is constant. In general, we say AK minus 1, any term minus उससे पहले वाली term, preceding term. This is constant. So that type of series is called A and AP, and this constant difference is called common difference. This difference is known as common difference and denoted by small d. What is standard form of an AP? So an AP of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. This is standard form of an AP in which A is called first term and D is called common difference. Then what is the general term of an AP? The general term of an AP is generally denoted by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. And if AP has n terms, if AP has n term, then Tn is also called the last term of the AP. That is L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into डी. AP के अगर n terms है means n term is the last term, then Tn is also can be also written as Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will take some simple examples first. On the general term, find the 10th term of the series 12, 10, 8. Here what is first term? 12. What is the common difference? Common difference is always second minus first, third minus second, like this. That is 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. You have not to take 12 minus 10. Second term minus first term. That is minus 2. And we have to find the 10th term. N is equal to 10. Apply the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, put the values. T10 is equal to a is 12 plus 10 minus 1, d is minus 2. So this is 12, this is 9, 9 into minus 2, minus 18, that is minus 6. So the 10th term of the series is minus 6. Now next, which term of the series 68, 64, 60 is minus 8? Which term, कौन सी term इस series की minus 8 होगी? तो इसमें what is A? A is 68. What is D? 64 minus 68, that is minus 4. तो let Tn is equal to minus 8. Suppose कर लो कि nth term minus 8 है, which implies what is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 8. Put the values. A is 68 plus n we have to calculate n minus 1 into d. D is minus 4. D is minus 4 is equal to minus 8. That is 68 minus 4n. 68 ब्रैकेट खोलो minus 4n plus 4 is equal to minus 8. That is minus 4n is equal to minus 8 minus 4 minus 68. ठीक है, which further implies minus 4n is equal to, this one adding becomes minus 80, which implies what is n? Minus 80 upon minus 4, that is on cancelling 20. So this implies 20th term is minus 8. This is the answer. ठीक है, तो इसमें A is given, D is given, Tn सपोज कर लिया minus 8 है, Tn is equal to minus 8. Tn का फार्मूला पुट कर दो, पुट वैल्यूज ऑफ ए एंड डी, और वहां से एन की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लो. नेक्स्ट, द थर्ड टर्म ऑफ एन एपी इज 18 एंड द सेवंथ टर्म इज 30. फाइंड द 17th टर्म. थर्ड टर्म ऑफ एन एपी इज 18. तो गिवन T3 is equal to 18 and T7 is equal to 30. Now this implies T3 is 18 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 18, and this implies A plus 2D is equal to 18. This is equation number 1. And T7 is 30 means A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equal to 30. ठीक है, A plus 60 is equal to 30. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solving 1 and 2. वन एंड टू को आपस में क्या करो, सॉल्विंग 1 and 2, 1 and 2 को आपस में सॉल्व करो। उसके क्या करेंगे हम? सब्ट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सेकेंड, फर्स्ट को सेकेंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो। सेकेंड इज a प्लस 60, फर्स्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, माइनस ए माइनस 2d इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड 30 माइनस 18, a कैंसिल विद a, 4d इज इक्वल टू 30 माइनस 18, 4d इज इक्वल टू 12, दैट इज d is equal to 3. Put in d is equal to 3. Put in first में पुट कर दो a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 18, that is a is equal to 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Now we know D, we know A. We have to calculate the seventh term. So what is T7? A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equal to, what is A? Put value of A. A is 12 plus 7 minus 1 6 into D. D is 3. That is 12 plus, here is a mistake, not 7, it was 17. My writing mistake, 17 ये 16 आ जाएगा। 12 plus 48 is equal to 60. Now the next question. Next is the second, 31st and last terms of an AP are 7 3/4, 1/2 and minus 6 1/2. Second term is this much, that is 7 3/2, and 31st term is 1/2, and the 31st term is minus 6 and a half respectively. Then we have to find the first term and the number of terms in the series. So here we are given T2. Second term is given 7 3 whole 3/4. That is 31/4. So what is second term? It is, second term is A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 31/4. That is A plus D is equal to 31/4. This is equation number 1. Now again it is given that 31st term is 1/2. Given T31 is equal to 1/2. ठीक है, T31 is 1/2. What does this mean? A plus 31 minus 1 into D is equal to 1/2. That is A plus 30D is equal to 1/2. This is equation number 2. So subtract 1 from 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को 2 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो। 2 is A plus 30D minus A, sign change, minus D is equal to 1/2 is equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 minus 1/2 minus 31/4. So this A cancel with A. This gives 29D. 29D is equal to, here LCM is 4, 2 minus 31, that is minus 29/4. So what is D? 29 cancels on both sides. D is minus 1/4. Put in first. इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर दो। फर्स्ट में पुट करोगे ए डी इज -1/4 इज इक्वल टू 31/4। ए इज इक्वल टू 1/4 प्लस 31/4। LCM is 4, 1 plus 31, which is 32/4. That is A is equal to 8. Now we are also given the last term of the AP. So this is given. Last term is -6.5. That is -13/2. What is the last term of AP? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to -13/2. What is A? A we have calculated 8 and we have to calculate -1/4 D की वैल्यू is equal to -13/2. तो n minus 1 into -1/4, this is n minus 1/4 is equal to -13/2 is equal to -13/2 minus 8. That is minus n minus 1/4. LCM 2 -13 -13 -16 upon 2 is equal to -29/2. So this minus will cancel. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 is 29/2 into 4. That is 58. So what is n? 58 plus 1 is equal to 59. So we want to calculate A and n. तो A and n are here. तो इसमें दिया होगा सेकेंड टर्म 31st टर्म। तो पहले हमने सेकेंड टर्म लिखी A प्लस डी इक्वल 31/4। 31st टर्म आ गई A प्लस 30D इज इक्वल टू 1/2। दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करके हमने A और D की वैल्यू निकालनी। तो D की वैल्यू आ गई -1/4 और A की वैल्यू आ गई 8। उसका n निकालना है। n निकालने के लिए क्वेश्चन में गिवन है लास्ट टर्म इज -6.5। तो लास्ट टर्म किसके बराबर होती है? A प्लस n minus 1 into D इज इक्वल टू -13/2। तो वी नो A, वी नो D, दोनों वैल्यूज पुट के हो और n की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लो। n कम्स आउट 59। next is if n times the n term of an AP is equal to m times the m term, prove that m plus n term is 0. तो इसमें गिवन n times the n term, n times means n multiplied by n terms is equal to m times the m term. n times the n term is equal to m times the m term. So we have to prove that Tm plus n is 0. ठीक है, तो टू प्रूव है Tm plus n is equal to 0. Now n times n term is equal to m times m term, but this implies n times A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to m times A plus m minus 1 into D. This implies n के साथ अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो दिस बिकम्स an प्लस मल्टीप्लाई में n स्क्वायर माइनस n इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू am प्लस m स्क्वायर माइनस m इंटू डी। सारी टर्म्स को इस तरफ ट्रांसपोज कर दो विच इम्प्लाइज an माइनस am। ए वाली टर्म में से ए वाली टर्म को माइनस करो, डी वाली में से डी वाली, प्लस n स्क्वायर माइनस n इंटू डी माइनस m स्क्वायर माइनस m इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 0। दिस इंप्लाइज दोनों में से एक कॉमन आ गया ए इंटू एन माइनस एम प्लस इन दोनों में से डी कॉमन आ गया, एन स्क्वायर माइनस एम माइनस एम स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस एम इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 0, which implies a इंटू एन माइनस एम प्लस, इसको ऐसे लिखो, एन स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर, एन स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर देन माइनस एन प्लस एम इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 0, विच implies a इंटू एन माइनस एम प्लस, now n square minus m square, factorize it, n minus m n plus m, आइडेंटिटी लगा के इसके फैक्टर्स बना दो और यहां से माइनस कॉमन आ गया तो n माइनस m इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 0, विच implies a इंटू एन माइनस एम प्लस, now n minus m is common from whole this n minus m and but what is left in the bracket, n plus m, here n plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Now dividing by n minus m, इसको n minus m से डिवाइड कर दो, यहां क्या बच जाएगा, a प्लस n minus m कैंसिल हो गया, n plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So what is this? Be careful. This is m plus nth term, a plus number of term minus 1 into d is equal to 0. तो यही हमने प्रूव करना था, प्रूव हो गया। ठीक है, एक बार फिर देखिए।